वेलकम टू वेज क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमका येवकार दिता माझ्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. अँड टुडे आय एम कम अप with panna cotta, that is a sweet dish, panna cotta, cooking the thing. So now here I have taken 1 cup of Amul cream, and I have now cup measurement is yours. You can take how you all want. So I have taken like this mug cup size of fresh cream, and I have just cooked this, but I have not given a boil. Then we need 1 sachet of gelatin, that is 3 teaspoons of gelatin. Any company of gelatin you can use, that's up to you which gelatin you are using. So you get in the market Crown company and many other. So double boil it and then let it get like this, bloom it. Then we need condensed milk. Now for plain you need condensed milk, then fresh cream and the gelatin and vanilla essence. So I am adding vanilla essence now. So few drops kaliya vanilla essence, mix korea. So yeah, quick recipe kotta is माझे actually mon nasle korpak, पण कितें हा banana canes which are ripe, fully ripe. So I thought of making panna cotta, and like a sweet dish instead of wasting it. So this we have to make a puree out of it. Okay, so I've taken 6 bananas, ripe, puree out of it, and now we'll use half of this. So I've taken exactly half of this. Mix this. So I have already boiled this. It's hot, and it's ready to. And now we'll add our gelatin to this. And mix this. Okay, so this is 6 bananas pulp. So we'll add in whichever this you want, you can add it, or if you want to do plain panna cotta, then that's it. We have to add this in a mold and leave it for setting. So now I will just show you. So these are my ramekin molds, and I will just apply a butter to this like this. You can use some tools if you want not to use your hands. So if you want to use like this and brush this, then here it is. You can brush with this also, and then grease this with butter. And now if you don't want it with banana and you want plain, then here it is. Just add this and then leave it like this. And now with bananas we will have to add this banana pulp in this. And mix this. Okay. So if any chunks are remaining of banana, don't worry, just mashed it because it is banana, and we'll get a custardy. And now we'll put this in this. This is plain one who don't want to add banana, and this is with banana. So hope you all will enjoy this. I will leave this for setting in the fridge now. Cover this with a cling flame or anything like a plate or something, small plate. Okay, so you cover this, and then I will show you the result later. We will transfer this in the fridge. This I will add in the other one. So hope you all will enjoy this, and do let me know. I will do this before it gets set. Thank you so much. So here it is, our panna cotta, banana panna cotta, and enjoy this banana panna cotta. Thank you. Hope you will like this.